In this how-to video, I'm going to go over some of the different ways that you can use the Recoup Cryosphere for your plantar fasciitis. To get started, you're going to need a Recoup Cryosphere as well as a yoga block is recommended. It's not needed. It helps to apply a little bit more pressure to those areas. So if you're just getting started, totally fine to just use it on the ground. I recommend using it on either the carpet or a yoga mat. That helps keep the sphere in place as you're rolling around on top of it. For plantar fasciitis, I recommend taking the sphere out of the handle. You can use it in the handle as well. I just find that it's a little easier because it rolls around on the ground outside of the handle. So to get started, we're going to start in a seated position. You're just going to take your foot, put it down right kind of on the heel there, and roll forward to backwards. Super light amount of pressure, just getting a feel for where it might be tender. And we'll do kind of a T shape here too, so you'll roll back and forth on the ball of the foot. This is good if you have any like bunions or pain up in that area. Once you have a good feel for that weight, we'll rise up on the heel of the opposite foot to allow you to apply a little bit more pressure onto that left foot. And when you find a tender spot, go ahead and slow down there. Just really apply a decent amount of pressure. Should feel tender, but not painful. Do that for about 5 seconds and then continue rolling out the rest of the foot. Once you've gotten comfortable with that, I recommend standing up, and that's going to allow you to apply a little bit more pressure now that you know how your foot feels and where those tender spots are. This is my preferred way of doing it just because it allows you to apply that extra pressure. You can also use the cryosphere inside the handle for plantar fasciitis. It especially helps if your foot's a little more sensitive and you don't want to put weight on it. We recommend doing this 2 to 3 times a day for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and that should really help with your plantar fasciitis.